Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS System Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. Okay, so we are seeing some series of videos where we are learning Playwright with JavaScript. In this video, we are going to see how to handle tooltip. Okay, with the help of Playwright with Java. Okay, so for that, right, let me go to an application where if I hover it, right, you'll get a tooltip, right? We need to capture the text of the right tooltip. Okay, so that is the scenario we are going to learn or we are going to automate now in this particular tutorial. Okay, so now let me go and create a new file, tooltip. Okay, .js, so it denotes JavaScript file. Okay, now let me go to the previous code. Okay, and I'll copy this code just to do a smart work. Okay, so let me go and I'll paste it. Okay, so now right, I'm just deleting the some lines. Okay, now in the first line of code I'm just going to enter right the enter the line where it's going to import the chromium right package from the playwright. Okay, so since we are going to launch the chromium browser, it's going to launch right import the chromium package. Okay, next, right, I hope you watched the previous videos for right from the basic understanding. Okay, now I'm just using async here, async, right, since we are going to do write multiple tasks in the right in our code. So for each task to await by default in the playwright, we use async. Okay, now after doing that, now I'm just initiating a browser, chromium browser, to launch in an headless state. Okay, headless, it can be true or false. Since I want to run in a foreground, I just entered false here. Okay, next one is I'm creating a new Chrome right Chrome profile right in the browser where it logs a separate session and does right do all the work. Okay, so I created a separate context here right with the help of new context method, and then with the context right in the separate session I'm going to create a new page, blank page, empty page here. Next, I use grow to method to launch to the application. Let us go and copy the application and let me paste it. Here there is a demo QA application where we can, there are a lot of right handlings which we can have. They are given a lot of handlings. Here we are concentrating only on the tooltip. Okay, so you should go to tooltip and you need to hover it. Okay, so I just and I entered this URL here, and now this right line of code is going to launch the Chromium browser, create a right profile, separate profile, and then it's going to create a new page and it's going to navigate to the tooltip of right the page. Okay, after right going to the tooltip, right, we need to go and click the hover thing. Before that, we'll just give some right extra thing. Right, we'll wait until it's getting loaded. Okay, for that I'll give command. Instead of closing that, I'll start with the curly bracket. Okay, I'll use wait until. Okay, wait 1 minute. Wait until. Okay, now I'm just giving the DOM content to be loaded. Okay, we need the DOM content to load, right? So I'm just giving DOM content. Okay, loaded. Okay, so we are just telling title launch the application and wait until the DOM content is loaded and wait for 6 seconds. Okay, timeout colon. Okay, okay, we'll give 60 seconds. Okay, now then I'll give semicolon. Okay, so now right, I'm just telling right wait until the DOM right content is loaded and wait for some time. Okay, that is what I gave here in this particular video. Okay, so now one minute. Okay, now right, I gave the URL, and in the go to itself I'm just telling wait until it's loaded, and timeout is right, so right, you wait for 6 seconds. Okay, now after that what I do is right, I just give constant. Okay, button, we need to click this button, right? So we should go here, wait for some time, and then we click this button. For that we should locate it, button equal to page dot locator. So we need to locate it now. Let me go right click, inspect it. Okay, now we have a tooltip button, right? We have an ID, so we need to locate with an ID now. Let me copy it. So for ID, as we saw in the previous video, we should give an hash. Okay, now for that, in a single quotes, we should give an hash before the ID. So this is how we can locate the ID. Okay, so I just right located, and I stored it in a reference called as button, and I need to hover it to the right button, right, await button. So there is a method called as hover. I'm using that method to hover it to that button. Okay, now I just gave a semicolon here, and I will make it to wait for some time. Okay, page dot wait. Okay, this is 60 seconds. Okay, wait for timeout. Okay, and I'm just making it to wait for 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm just waiting. After hovering, just wait for 2 seconds, and go and find the tooltip. Okay, constant tooltip equal to, okay, page dot locator. Okay, now I'm just giving double quotes. Okay, now right, we need to locate it. Okay, so now we need to hover it, and right, we need to go to this tooltip, and right, hover it and get this text. Okay, so that is plan now. So let me go and give a right locator. For that, right, we should go there. Okay, there we have a class name, right? We have a double class here. Let me copy it. Okay, so for class name we should give dot, and I'll paste it since we have two classes to distinguish. Right, I'll give an again a dot. Okay, so I just located this one, and I gave a semicolon here. Now we need to get the right, first make sure it's visible. Wait. Okay, tool tip dot wait for. Okay, we'll wait for, all right, it should be, the state should visible. Okay, first you should make sure the state is visible, then get the content. Okay, then I'll give, first I'll make sure the tooltip is visible. Okay, and then I'm going to get the content of the tooltip. Okay, constant text equal to, okay, await tooltip dot, okay, text content, right, text content. So get the content. Okay, and then console.log. Okay, next one is, I'll give double quotes. Okay, I'll get the right tooltip text. Okay, then I will print the text. Okay, so I give, if you come on here. Okay, now console.log tooltip text. Okay, now I need to close, wait for 5 seconds, see what's happening, and then close the browser. Okay, so I first navigated tooltip and waited for the DOM to load it and waited for 60 seconds to do all the operations. And next one is I located the tooltip and I hovered it, wait for 2 seconds. Next one is I located the tooltip with the class name, right, and waited for it to be visible, and then took the right content with the help of dot text content method, stored it and printed it. Wait for 5 seconds and close the browser. Okay. Now let's go to the terminal. Okay. Let's navigate to the folder. Okay, now let's give node tooltip.js. Okay, okay, tooltip.js. Okay, node tooltip. Okay, I will save it. Okay, it launched the Chromium browser. It navigate to the URL. It should wait. Is loaded, hovered it, and you got the text. Okay, so it hovered it, and it got the text of the right tooltip. Okay, so you can see, right, this is the text, right, it got it. Okay, so over to see, okay, tooltip, it got it. Okay, so now this is how right you can locate write the tooltip and write print the text of the tooltip, right, with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, so hope you learned something out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Right, meet you soon in the very next video. Have a nice day. Bye.